Well, I can still smell your perfume on my pillow. It smells just like the first day of spring. Well, I can hold it tight on this cold dark night, but I know, well, I'll never feel that summer breeze again. For all the tears I've cried for you, you think you would be gone. Or as many times as I've thrown it down, you think it would move on. So my tears keep on falling, and my broken heart keeps calling for the blue skies, oh, to turn to gray. And I keep looking out my window for the clouds to roll, so I know that there's a chance, yeah, that it can rain. And maybe this time it'll wash your love away. Well, that color that you picked out for our bedroom matches perfectly with how I feel inside. And I can't recall what you call that shade of blue, but it's exactly like looking in your eyes. The writing's there right on the wall, everything that's left of you. The word goodbye left in plain sight, painted in that shade of blue. So my tears keep on falling, and my broken heart keeps calling for the blue skies, oh, to turn to gray. And I keep looking out my window for the clouds to roll, so I know that there's a chance, yeah, that it can rain. And maybe this time it'll wash your love away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain down on me now. I wanna watch your memory drown in my tears that keep falling. Broken heart keeps calling for the blue skies, oh, to turn to gray. And I keep looking out my window for the clouds to roll, so I know that there's a chance, yeah, that it can rain. And maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time it'll wash your love away. Wash your love away.
My life began with a rocky start. Under
promises we made. Bye bye. And I say, hey, you won't love me, baby. I say, hey, you won't rock tonight. You go, no, I don't need that heartache, even though it might feel so right. I say, hey, you are reconsider, baby. Why you wanna talk like that? You say maybe 'cause I know better, and you don't wanna love, you gotta work out. Well, I don't blame you, no. I don't blame you. I don't blame you, no. I've been spending